you ever wondered what it takes to earn genuine respect from others? There's no rocket science to do that. You can use the following practical strategies that not only command respect, but also foster strong, authentic relationships. Number 1, keep your promises. One of the fundamental ways to earn respect is by being reliable. Whether it's meeting deadlines, honoring commitments, or simply being true to your word in everyday interactions, consistency in keeping promises builds trust and respect. For example, if you promise to deliver a project by a certain date, ensure you meet that deadline or communicate proactively if there are delays. Another tip is inspire rather than impress. Authenticity and genuine passion resonate more deeply than mere accomplishments. Share stories and experiences that inspire others to take positive actions or pursue their goals. By being approachable and relatable, you create meaningful connections that earn respect. For example, instead of boasting about achievements, share lessons learned from challenges you've overcome that inspire others to persevere through their own struggles. One more tip is disagree agreeably. Respectful disagreement is an opportunity for constructive dialogue and learning. When expressing differing opinions, listen actively to others' perspectives and respond thoughtfully. Avoid personal attacks or dismissive behavior, as they undermine mutual respect. For example, in a team meeting or discussion, acknowledge diverse viewpoints and seek common ground to reach collaborative solutions that respect everyone's input. We should respect time. Punctuality demonstrates your reliability and respect for others' schedules. Arriving on time for meetings, appointments, and social gatherings shows professionalism and consideration. It sets a positive tone for interactions and reinforces your commitment to mutual respect. For instance, plan ahead to account for potential delays and always communicate promptly if unforeseen circumstances arise that affect your schedule. One has to treat others with kindness and fairness. Every individual deserves to be treated with dignity and fairness, regardless of their background or status. Avoid manipulating or exploiting others for personal gain. Instead, prioritize empathy and fairness in your interactions. For example, in leadership roles or everyday interactions, practice active listening and ensure all voices are heard and respected in decision-making processes. We must appreciate and spread positivity. Acknowledging and celebrating the contributions of others cultivates a supportive and uplifting environment. Express gratitude for small acts of kindness and recognize achievements, no matter how small. Your positivity and encouragement inspire others to excel and fosters a culture of mutual respect. For example, in a team setting, publicly acknowledge team members' efforts and contributions during project milestones or successes. It is important to present yourself well. Your personal presentation reflects your professionalism and self-respect. Maintain a neat appearance, practice good hygiene, and keep your workspace organized. Dress appropriately for different occasions to convey respect for the environment and people around you. For example, in professional settings, adhere to dress codes and grooming standards that align with company culture and industry expectations. In conclusion, earning respect is about consistency, authenticity, and treating others with kindness and fairness. By embodying these principles in your daily interactions, you can build meaningful connections and earn genuine respect.